So if you watch our videos regularly, you'll notice कि हम बार बार कहते हैं कि एडिशनल हेल्प चाहिए तो कॉन्टैक्ट कर लो, या हम पीसी बेचते हैं कॉन्फ़िगर करके, वगैरह वगैरह। एक्चुअली आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि एक्चुअली ऐसे परचेस कर सकते हो। सो या stay tuned and watch till the end. So to start off, we'll show you how easy and hassle-free is configuring your system on our website. So we offer multiple options. Option number 1, if you are tech savvy or like experimenting, then we suggest you use a PC builder tool which is available on our website. You do not have to worry about any of the parts being not compatible with each other because the website has it all figured out. It's baked in, so to say. Baked in. These hand gestures is getting out of hand. To start off, visit TheMVP.in and press the big shop now button. Trust me, I'm basically blind and even I can't miss it. You will have 5 options on your screen: build a custom PC, build a custom gaming PC, and 3 options to shop for specialized computers. The PC part picker tool on the website is available if you select the first 2 options. While selecting any of the other options will lead you to a store page to buy pre-calibrated, battle-tested and configured hardware that is guaranteed to work perfectly out of the box. For this walkthrough, however, we will build a do-it-yourself gaming PC wala option. So we'll click that option. You will be put to a screen where you will be prompted to select 3 games that you would like to play, because I like to play a lot of these games. इसलिए मैंने डाल दिया उधर. I choose Cyberpunk, FS 2020, Minecraft, the holy trifecta. Press next and you will be taken to a new screen जो आपको बोलेगा चूज करो AMD वाला प्रोसेसर चाहिए कि Intel वाला चाहिए. Now if you do not know which platform to choose, we urge you to watch other videos on our channel regarding the best platform for your use case. So for this walkthrough, we'll choose Intel. We love AMD, but still we'll choose Intel. Lastly, we choose our budget. A good budget for an upper middle end PC would nowadays be close to 1.2 lakhs. So I put that in and click to see my best bid. The PC out there seems great, but let's say I want a higher end power supply. Birthday money थोड़ा जल्दी आ गया तो ले सकते हैं. I press configure under the add to cart button. For security purpose, you will be prompted to sign in or sign up. Once done, you will be redirected to a page where you can mix and match the parts to enhance or de-enhance or budgetize your PC. It will take you to the next page जहाँ से आप checkout कर सकते हो. Now let's say you are not too sure what kind of a PC you need or what parts you need. आपके लिए best क्या होगा? इसी के लिए हम यहाँ के MVP है दोस्त. You can contact us on all the platforms like WhatsApp, toll-free number and email वालों के लिए email. Actually WhatsApp amazing है. We have 4 people who regularly monitor our WhatsApp and reply jaldi. Now we've been doing this since 2015 and we wouldn't be around if it weren't for people like you who trusted us. So we'd like to say a big thank you, and I can give you my guarantee that there will be no upselling. बस जो आपके लिए सही है वही हम सजेस्ट करने वाले हैं. So if you find any problems, please drop in the comment section and write your heart out. What can be changed in our website and so on. Just an update from my end. We are actually updating our website. It's going to be super cool. There's a lot of feedback we've gathered over the past 2 years of this version, and we're implementing all of that. काफी फाड़ website होने वाली है. We can't wait to share that with you. We are probably a month away from going live. So yeah. Also, in case you haven't already watched, we've actually done the first Finance 75WX का review on our channel. पर देख नहीं रहे लोग. बस लाइनस अंकल का ही देखना है.